Hi, Mark Ben from M M Sharpening Services. We're often asked how we sharpen chainsaw chains. This is a professional Oregon chainsaw grinder. With this tool, we can custom sharpen any chain. We can custom adjust head tilt and depth and fit. Chisel chains, semi-chisel chain, doesn't matter to this tool. Adjusted length here. Then we finish up every chain by custom grinding every raker, every depth gauge to make sure that the raking is done properly. That's how we set a chainsaw chain.